How to add music to Instagram post after posting. Hi guys, welcome to Create, Login and Delete, and let's jump right into the video. Well, the sad news is you can't add music to an Instagram post after posting it. You can only add music to Instagram post before posting it. So the only option that we got is delete our current Instagram post and upload a new one. So that's exactly what we're gonna do here. So first, let's delete our current post. Open up the post that you want to add music to and tap on the three dots at the upper right and simply select the delete option. Select delete once again to confirm. After the post has been deleted, go to your homepage and tap on the plus icon right here. And now select the photo that you previously deleted. And now tap on add music. Now select the song that you wish to add. Once you're done, tap on the check mark at the upper right. And now you can also add additional captions to it. Once you're satisfied with the post, tap on the check mark at the upper right to confirm the upload. Now this time, the Instagram post with music has been updated. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.